Welcome to Quest for Facts. If you enjoy learning amazing facts, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
What are black holes? A simple explanation. Hey there, fact lovers. Today we've got a super exciting topic to explore. One of the biggest mysteries of the universe. What are black holes? But don't worry, we'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand. So even if you're not a space expert, you'll get the gist of it. So what exactly is a black hole? Simply put, it's a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Imagine you're floating in space and you accidentally fall into a black hole. It's like getting sucked into a giant cosmic drain that pulls everything towards it, and once you're in, there's no getting out. But what actually happens when you fall in? We'll dive into that in just a minute. Before we go deeper, let's talk about how these mind-boggling black holes come into existence. They begin life as giant stars. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, becoming incredibly dense. This collapse forms a black hole, a point in space where the gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. It's like squeezing a whole star into a tiny dot. Now you might be wondering, how do we even know black holes exist? Well, scientists haven't actually seen a black hole because, they're black, duh, and they don't give off any light. But we can still detect them by looking at how they affect things around them. For example, when a star orbits a black hole, it moves in a very unusual way. Also, when objects get too close, they get heated up and emit X-rays, which special telescopes can pick up. So if black holes can suck in light, how do they affect us here on Earth? Great question. The good news is, black holes are far, far away. Most of them are millions of light years away, so there's no need to worry about one popping up in your backyard anytime soon. But there's one black hole that's actually pretty close by. It's called Sagittarius A, and it's located at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Now let's talk about just how big black holes can get. Picture this. If our sun were to collapse into a black hole, it would shrink down to the size of a marble, but its gravity would still be just as strong as it is now. Mind-blowing, right? Here's another crazy question. Can you escape a black hole? Once you cross the event horizon, which is the point of no return, you're toast. Imagine swimming in a pool and there's a drain at the bottom. If you get too close to the drain, it sucks you in. That's what happens at the event horizon. But once you're in, you can't escape. Now here's another wild one. If a black hole swallows light, does it swallow time too? Yep, you heard that right. Black holes mess with time itself. This is called time dilation, and it happens because the gravity near a black hole is so strong that time slows down. If you were near a black hole and someone was watching you from a safe distance, they'd see you moving in slow motion. Crazy, right? But here's the craziest part. If you were falling into a black hole, time would feel normal to you. But to someone watching from far away, you'd look like you were freezing in time, never actually crossing the event horizon. It's like being stuck in a cosmic traffic jam. Before we finish, let's talk about what happens if you get too close to a black hole. It's called spaghettification. Sounds like pasta, right? But it's not a fun dinner party. As you approach the black hole, the gravity at your feet would be so strong that it would pull them in faster than your head, stretching you out like spaghetti. And that's the last you'd ever see of your original shape. So now that you know what a black hole is, how it works, and how you might turn into spaghetti if you get too close, here's a fun question for you. What do you think is inside a black hole? Is it a portal to another universe? Or maybe a secret dimension? Drop your theories in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you learned something cool today, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week. See you next time, fellow fact seekers.
Thank you for watching.